How are you? Prep 2. Today we'll explain from Moasser book, lesson number 1. Unit 1, lesson 1, talk about properties of progression. Unit 1, numbers and properties on them. To me, properties of progression. Definition here is said the quantities A, B, C, D are proportional if E over P equal C over D. E called is the first proportion. B is called the second proportional. C called the third proportional. And D is called the fourth proportional. Like this, E over B equals C over D. First, here A over B equals C over D is the product of extremes equal product of means. Like A times D equal B product by C. E and D are called the extremes. And the means equal B and C. B and C we called it the means. Then the product of extremes equal product of means. So, for example, like this, the numbers 1, 4, 7, 28 are proportional because 1 over 4 equals 7 over 28, and also 2, 3, 6, 10 are not proportional because 2 over 3 not equivalent to 6 over 10. Remember, if A over B equals C over D, then times B equal C times D equals C times B. The product of extremes equal product of means. This rule here. The product of extremes equal the product of means. This 3 over 4 equivalent to 6 over 8. 3 times 8 equal 24, and 4 times 6 equal 24. We have question here and solution down from the book. Like this, we can find the third. Put x here reverse to the third. 2 over 4 equals 6 over 20. Then the product of extremes equal product of means. Also, if you want to find the fourth, put here number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth here will be x. 4 over 12 equals 16 over x. The product of extremes equal product of means. Number 3. Give me the example. 10, 20, 10 and 2y and 3y, 15 are proportional. You can find the value of y by right. First over second equal third over fourth. Okay. Next question here to yourself. Number 1. Find the first proportional for the numbers 14, 15 and 21. He won't find the first. Put first here, x here reverse to the first. Over 14 is equal to 15 over 21. Then we can find the value of x by product of means equal product of extremes. Then x equal, we can write 15 times 14 over 21. Then the value of x here, we can use calculator to find the answer or simplest. Like this, 21 divided by 3 equals 7. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 14 divided by 7 equal 2. 2 times 5 equal 10. 10 divided by 1 equal 10. Then the value of x here will be 10. First will be 10. Next question. The quantities are proportional. Then find the value of x. Proportional, it's meaning first over second, like 5 over x equal 15 over 69. In the value of x equal, we can write here the product of extremes equal product of means. And the value of x equal 15 down here. It's coefficient of x, and 5 product by 69. Then you can simplest divided by 5 up and down. It will be 3. And then 69 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. 6 divided by 3 equal 2. And 9 divided by 3 equal 3. Then the value of x equal 23. Okay, next question. Number 3. Find the value of x that makes the quantities are proportional. Okay, first 3x over second 15 is equal to 4 over 5x. The product of extremes equal product of means. 4 times 15 equals 60. It's equivalent to 3x times 5x equal 15x power 2. Then x power 2 equals 60 over 15. The result will be 4. Then the value of x equal positive or negative square root of 4 equal positive or negative 2. Understood? We have here important notes. If a over b equals c over d, you can write the inverse like this. A over c equal b over d, or b over a equal d over c. You can write the reciprocal about terms. So give me example here in solution. Okay, now I will solve. Try to solve number 2. If a equal 5b, then b over a equal what? Okay, I will divide it here, b over a. Look at here, b over a. Look at with me, he give me the example a equal 5b, put the value of a equal 5b. Okay, then b over 5b, we can divide it by b. b divided by b1, 1 times 5 is 5. The result will be 1 over 5. Number 2, we have 2a subtracted by 5b is equal 0. He won't find the value of find a over b. Okay, we can move here 5b, then 2a will be equal 5b. So we can write the ratio a over b equal a here times 2 and b times 5. Then a over b equal 5 over 2. It's question number 2. Question number 3, example number 3, we have two expression or two terms, left hand side and right hand side equivalent. We can product and simplest find or prove that a and b and c d are proportional. Okay, you can see the answer here. The steps he used here the product to extremes equal product of means and simplest to find the ratio between a over b equals c over d. Then a and b and c d we call them proportional. Next question, we can prove that a, b, c, d are proportional if c over d minus c equal a over b minus a. First step, I will product to find result. C over d minus c, it's equivalent to a over b minus a. The product of extremes equal product of means. C product by b minus a equal a product by d minus c. C times b equals cb and c times a equals ca. A times d a equal d. A times c equal ec. We have ec and ec, they are equivalent. If you move the negative ac from left hand side to right hand side, cancel together. Then the last step, cb will be equal ed. You can write the ratio between a and b. A here product by d. Okay, write d down. A times d, it will be extremes, and b times c. Then a over b equals c over d. Then a and b and c d are proportional. You can write the last step here. Example number 4, find the number which if added to each the numbers 1, 13, 7, 31, they become proportional numbers. The number will be x. First step, x first and second and third and fourth, and then use the rules, the product of extremes equal product of means. Find the answer. You can simplest, then find the number here, the number will be 5. Next question, try yourself number 4. Find the number which if subtracted from each the number 16, 21, 14, 15, they become proportional numbers. We can find this example by put the number will be x. First step, let number will be x. Then we can find the ratio 16 over 21. He asked about if subtracted from each number. Subtract like this, subtract by the number x, here number x, and also 14 subtract by x, and 18 minus x. Then find the number by write the product of extremes equal product of means, like 16 minus x product by 18 minus x, and here 14 minus x and 21 minus x. And then simplest, 16 times 18. You can product two numbers. We can use calculator. 16 times 18 equal 288, and 16 times x using distributive properties. Write negative 16x and negative x times 18, negative 18x. Negative x times negative x, it will be positive x power 2. Next, 14 times 21. 14 times by 21 equal 294. And then 14 times x, it will be negative 14x. Negative x times 21, negative 21x. Negative times negative positive, positive x power 2. Now I will simplest export to subtract export to equal 0. Write 288 negative 16 x and negative 18 x, right? Negative 6 times 8 14, 4 and carry up 1, 2 plus 1 3, and we have 294 subtract by 4 plus 1 is 5 and 2 plus 1 3 x right here. Next step, move negative 35, it will be positive 35x subtract by 34x, and then move 288 here, it will be 294 subtract by 288. We can find the difference, it will be x, and 294 subtract by 288, 14 minus 8 equals 6, then the x or the number will be 6. And the number here will be what? Will be 6. Important note number 2, application of the cross multiplication property. If a over b equals c over d equal k, we can find the value of a times k, and k is the constant not equal 0, c equal d times k. Then general, if a over b equals c over d equal e over f, we can find the value of a b times k and c equal d times k and a equal f equal k. This example here, look with me about the steps. If x over 4 equal y over 5 equal z over 3, prove that left hand side equal right hand side. First step, we can put equal k constant here not equal 0. The value of x equal 4 product by k, and y equal 5 times k, and z equal 3 times k. But at left hand side, value of x and y and z, in simplest the result will be 1 over 2. Right, solve number 5. We can prove that left hand side equal half. First step, we have x over 2 equal y over 5 equal z over 7. We can write here constant k, and k not equal 0. And the value of x will be equal 2k, and y will be equal 5k, and z equals 7k. We can start at left hand side. 5y subtract by 3z over 2z subtract by 3x. 5 times y, 5 product by 5 equal 25. 3 times z, z equals 7k, 3 times 7 equal 21, 21k. 2 times z, z equals 7k, 2 times 7 is 14. And 3 times x, 3 times 2 equals 6. Now we simplest. 25 minus 21 is 4k. 14 minus 6 equal 8, and the constant k we can simplest divided by k up and down. We have 4 over 8, the result will be 1 over 2. The answer will be right here, left hand side equal right hand side. They are equivalent equal 1 over 2. We prove that. Example number 6. If E, B, C, D are proportional quantities, prove that the following left hand side equal right hand side. Look at here, question number 1. We can put over equal C over D equal K, then the value of E equal B times K and C equal D times K. At relation here, number 1 left hand side, and simplest result equivalent to right hand side. And also number 2, we can solve left hand side and right hand side, they are equivalent equal constant k. From 1 and 2 relation, we conclude that left hand side equal right hand side. Try to solve number 6. If A, B, C, D are proportional quantities, we can prove that to left hand side equal right hand side. Okay, first step here, we can write E over B is equal C over D equal K, and K not equal 0. Then the value of A equal B times K and C equal D times K. Start at left hand side. We have 5A subtract by 2C over 5B subtract by 2D. 5 times A equal BK, then 5 times BK. 2 times C equal DK, 2 product by dk. 5 times b, 5 product by b, subtract by 2 times d. Look at b and d constant down, 2d. Up we can write k, height common factor between two terms. It's repeating. Write k here. 5pk divided by k equal 5p, subtract by 2dk divided by k equal 2d, over 5p subtract by 2d. Then we can simplify. The result will be k. Now I will solve right hand side. Right hand side about this example. Look at here. 4a plus 3c over 4p plus 3d. 4 times a equal pk, then we have 4 bk, z plus 3 times c equal dk, then we have 3 dk, over 4 times p plus 3 times d. Now we can write height common factor between two terms here, k. 4bk divided by k equal 4p, and divided by k equals 3d, over 4p plus 3d. You can simplify together, the result will be k. Then left hand side equal right hand side. It's relation number 1, and here relation number 2. From relation 1 and 2, then left hand side equal right hand side. Understood? The example here give me a plus b plus c equal 26 and equal 3b equal 3t. We can find result the simplest by divided by least common multiplication between 8 and 12 and 3. Least common multiplication between them equal 24. Then we can simplify by divided 1 by 24. Then a equal 3k and b equal 2k and c equal 8k. But here in this expression, give me this a plus b plus c equal 26. You can put to find the value of k, and then when you find the value of k, you can find a and b and c. 2 times 3 6, 2 times 2 4, 2 times 8 16. Try to solve number 7. If a plus b plus c equal 84, for a equal 2c, find the value of abc. First step, we can divide it by least common multiplication between 8 and 4. It will be 8. This question like this. We have 4a equal 8b equal tc. We can divide it by 8. Then we have a over 8 divided by 4 equal 2, and b over 1, and we have here c, 8 divided by 2 equal 4. We can put the constant here k. And the value of a equal 2 product by k, and b equal k, and c will be equal 4 times k. Next, such that a plus b plus c equal 84, the value of a equal 2k, and the value of b equal k, and the value of c equal 4k. They are equal 84. Now we can simplify. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 4 7. 7k equal 84. We can divide it by 7. Then the value of k equal 8 divided by 7 1, and the remainder 1. 14 divided by 7 equal 2. Then k equal 2. Now we can find the value of a. 8 equal 2 times k. 2 times 12 is 24, and b equal k, and c equal 4 times k. 4 times 12 is 48. It is the value of a and b and c. Complete with me. Next question. First, number 1. First proportional for the numbers 8, 12, 14 is. Write with me the ratio. He won't find the force. 8 over 12, first over second equals third over fourth. Then the value of x equal 14 times 12 divided by 8. You can use calculator to find the answer. 13 times 12 divided by 8. Then the value of x equal 21. Number 2. The third proportion of the numbers is, he asked about the third. Okay, 12 over 28 equal, we have first, second, third, over the fourth, 35. Now we can product to find the value of x. Like this, x will be equal 12 product by 35 over 28. You can use calculator to find the answer. 12 times 35 divided by 28, then the value of x will be 15. Number 3. Second proportional of the numbers, write second like x in the first over second equals third over fourth. 2 times 4 equal 8, then 4 times 3 is 12, then the value of x will be 3. Next question. Find the first proportional here. First, like x over second square root of 8 equal third over fourth. In the value of x equal the product of extremes, 7 product by square root of 8 divided by 14 root 2. 7 divided 7 1, 14 divided by 7 equal 2. Right here half. Square root of 8 divided by square root of 2, you can divide it together. Okay, write this, square root of 8 divided by 2, 4. Then we have half product by square root of 4 equal 2, half of 2, it will be 1. Next question. Find the value of x makes each of the following numbers. We will solve number 1 first. We have the first, second, third, fourth, x 7 over x equal 5 over 10, then the value of x will be equal 7 times 10 divided by 5. 10 divided by 5 equal 2. 2 times 7 is 14. Question number 2. 4 over 5. Look at here. Question number 2. 4 over 5 equal x over 10. In the value of x equal, we can write 4 times 10 over 5. 40 divided by 5 equal 8. Number 3. Raise the ratio x over 20 equals 30 over 60. Then x will be equal 20 times 30 divided by 60. Cancel 0 by 0, and here 6. Write 0, 2 times 3, 6. 60 divided by 6 equal 10. Next question. Number 4. 2, 7, 5, and x over 2. 2 over 7 equal 5 over x over 2. Then x over 2 will be equal the product of extremes equal product of means. 5 times 7 divided by 2. We can cancel 2 by 2, then the value of x equal 35. Understood? The result will be what? 35. Next question number 5. X over 15 equal 20 over 3x. 3x times x equal 3x power 2, and 20 times 15 divided by 3 here and here. Then x power 2 equal 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 times 20 is 100. Then the value of x equals square root of 100 equal 10. Positive or negative? The value of x will be positive or negative 10. With number 5. Number 6. 21 over 7x equal 9x equal over 48. We can product 7 times 9 is 63. X times x power 2. Right, 21 times 48, and then we can simplify divided by 63 here and here. Then x power 2 equal 21 times 48 divided by 63. 21 times 48 divided by 63. Then the value of x equal positive or negative square root of 16 equal positive or negative 4. This is number 6. Number 7. X over 2 divided by 7 over x equals 3x over 2 equals 7 over 3. We can product together c over x times this number. 3x over 2 produced by 7 over x equivalent to x over 2 produced by 7 over 3. We can cancel x by x and 2 also by 2. Then 3 times 7 is 21, and also we can cancel 7 by 7. 7 divided 7 equal 1. Then the result here will be 3 equal x over 3. Okay, then x will be equal 3 times 3 is 9. Then the value of x will be 9. Next question. Number 8. 2, 3, 6, x and 1 minus 1. Okay, 2 over 3 equal 6 over x minus 1. 6 over x minus 1. 2 over 3 equal 6 over x minus 1. Then x minus 1 equal 3 times 6 divided by 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9. Then x minus 1 equal 9. And the value of x will be 10 because 10 minus 1 is 9. Next question, number 9. 3x minus 1, x plus 1 and 5. 3 over x minus 1, it will be equal x plus 1 over 5. Now product of extremes equal product of means. X minus 1 product by x plus 1 equal 3 times 5 is 50. X times x power 2 negative 1 times 1 is negative 1 equal 15. Then x power 2 equal 15 plus 1 equals 16. So the value of x, write positive or negative square root of 16. X will be positive or negative 4. This is question number 9. Number 3, find the value of each of the following. Find the value of x of each of the following. Okay. First question, we have ratio to x minus 3 over x minus 5, it will be equal 1 over 4. 1 product by x minus 5 equal 4 product by 2x minus 3. 4 times 2 equal 8, 8x, 3 times 4 equal 12. 8x minus x is 7x, and negative 12 moved here, it will be negative 5 plus 12. 7 equals 7x, then the value of x here equal 1. Next question, number 2. X minus 5 over 5x plus 3 equal 2 over 3. Product here 2 product by 5x plus 3 equal 3 product by x minus 5. 2 times 5 equal 10, and 2 times 3 equals 6. 3 times x and 3 times 5. Move here, 10 minus 3 is 7, 7x, and move 6. Negative 6 plus negative 15, it will be negative 21. Next step, divided by 7, the result will be negative 3. Understood? Next question, number 3. X power 2 minus 8 over 2x power 2 plus 1 equal 1 over 3. Look at here, 3 times x power 2 and 3 times 8 is 24. 1 times 2x power 2 times 1. Okay, and then subtract 3x power 2 subtract 2x power 2 equal x power 2. Move here, 1 plus 24 is 25. And the value of x equal positive or negative square root of 25, and the value of x will be positive or negative 5. Next question number 4. Find the value of y over x. We can simplify this expression. We have x minus 2y over x plus 3y equals 30. The product here, 3 times x minus 2y equal 1 product by x plus 3y. Okay, 3 times x equal 3x, and 3 times 2 is 6. 1 times x equal x, 1 times 3y equal 3y. Negative 6y move here, 3y plus 6y is 9y. And x move here negative, 3x minus x, it will be 2x. Then we can write the ratio between y and x. Y here product by 9 and x product by 2. And the ratio will be 2 over 9. Next question. He gave me relation between two terms. So we want to find or prove that x over y equal 3 over 5. First step, we can use here the rule. The product of extremes, 2x plus 3 and 2y minus 5 equal product of means. The mean here 2x minus 3 product by 2y plus 5. 2x times 2y, it will be 4xy. 2x times negative 5, it will be negative 10x. 3 times 2 equals 6y. And 3 times negative 5, it will be negative 15. 2x times 2y, it will be 4xy. 2x times 5, it will be 10x. Negative 3 times 2, it will be negative 6. And y, negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. We can cancel the similar, left hand side, right hand side, negative 15 by negative 15. And simplest, xy here, 4xy also, subtract 4xy equals 0. Then we have negative 10x plus 6y equal 10x minus 6y. Move negative 6y here, plus 6y equal 12y. And negative 10 was positive 10 plus 10 equal 20. Then we can find the ratio between x over y. X here product by 20 and y product by 12. 20 divided by 4 equal 3. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Then the ratio will be 3 over 5. We prove that the ratio between x and y 3 to 5. Next question down. If 4x power 2 plus 9y power 2 equal 12xy, find the value of x over y. We can factorize this expression like this. 4x power 2 plus 9y power 2 equivalent to 12xy. Then we have 4x power 2 subtract by 12xy plus 9y power 2 equals 0. This expression we called it perfect square. We can find the square root of the first, square root of the third, and the sign of the middle will be negative. The middle 2 times 3 times 2 equal negative 12xy. We can put the square root left hand side, right hand side to simplify, and then we have 2x minus 3y equals 0. Then we have 2x will be equal 3y. We can find the ratio between x and y. X here product by 2 and y product by 3. Then the ratio will be 3 over 2. Next example, number 7. X power 2 subtract by 4xy plus 4y power 2 equals 0. Then find the value of this expression here. Who can tell me? First step, we can simplest. Find the relation between x and y, and then put the value in the second. Here is the value to find the value. Okay, with this expression. First, we know x power 2 subtract by 4xy plus 4y power 2 was equal 0. We can write here this perfect square. We can find square root of x power 2 equal x, square root of 4y power 2 equal 2y, and raise the sign in the middle. Next step, put square root to left hand side, right hand side. Then x subtract by 2y equivalent to 0. Then x will be twice y. So the relation here, 3x plus 2y over 6y subtract by x equal 3 times x. Right, x equal 2y. Then 3 times 2 equals 6y. Okay, subtract by 2y over 6y subtract by value of x here equal to y. Okay, we have here addition. 6 plus 2 equal 8. 8y over 4y. The result will be 2. The result here will be what? Will be 2. The answer of the value of that expression will be 2. Next question here, number 8. If x power 2 subtract by 4y power 2 equal 3xy, find the value of x to y. Okay, we have x power 2 subtract y. 4y power 2 equivalent to 3xy. We can move 3xy from right hand side to left hand side, change the sign, and then factorize the expression. Right here by negative 3xy and here negative 4y power 2. Not expression. This expression not perfect square. You can factorize 3 terms. X power 2 equivalent to x by x, and we want two numbers. The product of them equal 4 and the difference between them equal 3. You can write 4y and y. And the sign here, the greatest number like the middle, it will be negative and the other will be positive. Okay, right here negative and here positive. Then x plus y will be 0 or x minus 4y equivalent to 0. We won't find here the ratio. Then x will be negative y. Move y here. Then the ratio between x to y will be what? X here product by negative 1 and y product by 1. Then the ratio between x and y, it will be 1 to negative 1. Or you can complete the other solution here. X will be 4y. Then the ratio between x and y, x here product by 1 and y product by 4. And also the ratio will be x to y, it will be 4 to 1. And the ratio will be 4 to 1. 1 over negative 1, it will be negative 1 to 1. Okay, because 1 divided by positive divided by negative equal negative. The result will be negative 1 to 1 or 4 to 1. It is the simplest form. Next question down. Find the number which if it of term is the ratio give me 7 over 6. List the number will be x. He asked about the number. Any number like this x, I will write here. Let number equal x. He added to both of terms. We have 22 plus x and 17 plus x. The ratio give me 7 over 6. Now I will use the properties. Tell me the product of extremes equal product of means to find the answer. Like here, 6 product out by 22 plus x equivalent to 7 product by 17 plus x using distributive properties. 6 times 22, 2 times 6 12, 2 and carry up 1, 2 times 6 12 plus 1 13, and 6 times x equals 6x. 7 times 17, 7 times 7 49, write 9 and carry up 4. 1 times 7 7 plus 4 is 11. 7 times x equals 7x. 6x subtract 7x equal x. And 132 times 119. 12 minus 9 is 3 and 2 minus 1 equal 1. Then the number here will be equal 13. Next question. Number 10. Find the number which subtracted from both terms counts to over 3. Okay, let the number here equal x. He asked example 49 over 69 subtract by x here and subtract by x equivalent to 2 over 3. 3 product by 49 minus x is equivalent to 2 product by 69 minus x. 3 times 9 27, write 7 and carry up 2. 3 times 4 12, 12 plus 2 equal 14. And 3 times x equals 3x. 2 times 9 18, 8 and carry up 1. 2 times 6 12 plus 1 13, subtract by 2 times x equal 2x. Negative 3 move here, it will be 3x. Subtract by 2x. And move here the number 147 subtract by 138. 17 minus 8 equal 9. Then x will be 9, meaning the number here it will be 9. Next question. Find the number which if its square added to both terms becomes 4 to 5. Okay, let the number was x, then x power 2 the square root of the number. If added to both terms is 7 to 11. Here x power 2 and here x power 2. The result will give me the ratio 4 to 5. Then we can use here the rule, the product of extremes equal product of means. Okay, we can simplify it. Okay, the product of extremes equal product of means. Right here 5 product by 7 plus x power 2 equal 4 product by 11 plus x power 2. 7 times 5 is 35 and 5 times x power 2 5 x power 2. 4 times 11 44 and 4 times x power 2 4 x power 2. Move here 4 5 x power 2 subtract 4 x power 2 it will be x power 2 and move 35 44 subtract by 45 35 it will be 9. Then x will be positive or negative. Square root of 9 it will be 3. The value of x will be positive or negative 3. Next question. What is the number which is subtracted from antecedent? The ratio 15 to 13 and added to consequent. We know 15 here antecedent, 13 consequent becomes 3 over 4. Put the number here x. Let number x. Then the number here he will subtracted from antecedent. And 82 consequent. The answer will be 3 over 4. You can product 3 by 13 plus x equal 4 product by 15 minus x. 3 times 13 is 39. 3 times x equal 3x. 4 times 15 is 60. 4 times x will be 4x. Move 4x. 3x plus 4x equals 7x. And move 39 here. 10 minus 9 equal 1 and 5 minus 3 equal 2. You can divide it by 7 to find the value of x in the number. Here will be equal 3. Next question number 13. Find the number which added to each of the numbers becomes proportional numbers. Look the number here x. Okay, put the number equal x. 7 e to x over 12 e to x equivalent to 18 over x, 11 over x and 18 over x. Now we use the rule, the product of extremes equal product of means. Like here 7 plus x product by 18 plus x equivalent to 12 plus x product by 11 plus x. 7 times 18 you can find the answer, product two numbers, the result will be 126. Okay, and 7 times x equals 7x, and then x times 18 equal 18x, x times x equal x power 2. 12 times 11 you can product 12 by 11 equal 132. 12 plus times x equal 12x, x times 11 equal 11x, and x times x equal x power 2. You can simplest x power 2 subtract the same will be 0, and here we have 126 and 7 plus 18 equal 25. We have 132 plus 12 plus 11 equal 23x. We can subtract 23x from 25x equal 2x, and move 126 subtract from 132 equal 4, not 4, it will be 6. 132 divided by 126 equals 6, then divided by 2, the value of x equal 3, then x here will be equal 3. Next question. Find the positive number if which it is squared. Square is subtracted from each of the number becomes proportional. Okay, let's get about positive number. Put the number x, then the first and second, and here 22 over 13 is equivalent. If we subtract like this, okay, put the number will be x and the square root of it equal x power 2. They are proportional. Now I will solve the example by find the value by using the rule the product of streams equal product of means. We have 22 subtract by x bar 2 product by 13 minus x bar 2 equal 10 minus x bar 2 product by 13 minus x bar 2. 12 times 22 times 13 equal 282, 31. Okay, then 22 minus x bar 2 times 13 minus x bar 2 equal 10 minus x bar 2 subtract by 31 x bar 2. First I will product 22 product by 13 equal 286, and 22 times x bar 2 it will be 22x power 2. Negative x bar 2 times 13 it will be negative 13 x bar 2, and negative times negative positive x bar 4. 10 times 31 it will be 310. 10 times x bar 2 it will be negative 10 x bar 2. Negative x bar 2 times 31 it will be negative 31 x bar 2, and negative times negative positive x bar 2 times x bar 2 x bar 4. Here you can cancel x bar 2 by x bar 2, and simplest 286 we can collect together. 3 plus 2 5, 2 plus 1 3 x bar 2, and here 310 we can collect also 1 3 plus 1 4, and then move 35 by change the sign right here. This less than, okay, change 41 right here will be positive 41 x bar 2. 41 x bar 2 subtract by 35 x bar 2, and then move this number here by change the sign equals 310 subtract by 286. Next step, 41 subtract 35 equals 6. 6 x bar 2, 10 equal 24. We can divide it by 6. Then x bar 2 equal 24 divided by 6 equal 4. Then x will be positive. Square root of 24 equal 2. Then the number will be equal to. Then the number here will be equal what? Equal to. Number 15. If each shows the following proof that the quantities are proportional. First question, number 1. We have such that E over P equal C over D equal constant here K, and K constant dot equal 0, then the value of A equal BK and C equal D product by K. Okay, start about left hand side. Left hand side here was A plus B over B equal A equals BK, B equal B here is a constant, and down B equal B also is a constant. You can write B hat factor up, it will be K plus 1 over B divided by B here, and the result will be K plus 1. It's left hand side, and right hand side was equal C plus D over D. C was dk plus D over D. You can write D height factor between two numbers, dk divided by D equal K and D divided by D equal 1. Divided and simplest, the result will be K plus 1. Then the left hand side equal right hand side equal K plus 1 is the simplest answer. Number 2, we want to prove that left hand side equal right hand side. Number 2, we have E minus B over E plus B. This is left hand side, and right hand side was C minus D. This is question number 2. Okay, C minus D over C plus D. We know E over B equals C over D equal K. K not equal 0. The value of E equal BK and C equal D product by K. We can put the value of A and A and C. Okay, here at the left hand side, A was BK subtract by P. B is a constant. Okay, E plus P, A was BK plus B. You can write B hat factor between two terms, BK divided by B equal K and B divided by B equal 1. Down, write B outside hat factor, BK divided by B equal K plus 1, B divided by B1. And the simplest will be K minus 1 over K plus 1. C minus D. C here was dk. Subtract by D over C plus D. C was dk plus D. You can sample this by write D had cofactor dk plus D equal k and D divided by D1. Write D had cofactor dk divided by D equal k and D divided by D equal 1. Then the result will be the same. K minus 1 over k plus 1 is the same answer here. Left hand side equal right hand side. Next question. Number 3. We want to prove that left hand side equal right hand side. Left hand side was 3a plus 5b over 3a minus 5b. We have a over b equal c over d equal k. Since the value of a equal pk and c equal dk. Put with me the value of a, bk plus 5 product by b over 3a. The value of a was bk. Subtract 5 times b. We can write that cofactor up. Write p height cofactor between two terms. bk divided by b equal k and 5b divided by b equal 5. Write b down. 3bk divided by b equals 3k. Subtract by 5b divided by b equal 5. Look and cancel together. The result will be k plus 5 over 3k plus minus 5. Okay, this is question number 3, left hand side. And what about right hand side? Right hand side also you can sample it. Right hand side here 3c plus 5d over 3c subtract by 5d. 3 product by c. C was dk, then we have 3 dk plus 5 times d over 3 times c here 3 dk subtract by 5 times d. Okay, you can write height cofactor up to sample this expression. Height cofactor was d. Write d height cofactor. 3dk divided by d equals 3k. 5d divided by d equal 5. And down you can write d height cofactor also. 3dk divided by d equals 3k. Subtract by 5d divided by d equal 5. You can cancel. The result will be 3k plus 5 over 3k minus 5. It's left hand side and right hand side they are equivalent. You can sample it divided by 5 b up and down. They are similar. From relation number 1 and relation number 2 they are equivalent. Number 4, left hand side and right hand side. Okay, left hand side we want to prove that a minus 2b over c minus 2d equals other. We have a over b equal c over d equal constant. Then the value of a equal bk and c equal d times k. Okay, simplest the value of a here bk. Subtract by 2 times b. B is a constant down. Okay, c was dk. Subtract by 2 times d. D is a constant also. You can write out height cofactor here p and divided bk divided by b equal k and 2b divided by b equal 2. We have here d height cofactor also. K minus 2 divided together, and the result will be over d. It's relation number 1 about left hand side equal b over d. And what about right hand side? Right hand side equal 5a plus b over 5c plus d. 5 times a, 5bk plus the value of b. B is a constant, and 5c, c was dk. 5 times dk plus the value of d is a constant. Now I will write the height cofactor up was b and divided 5bk divided by b, it will be 5k. B divided by b1, and right here also d height cofactor 5dk divided by d equal 5k plus 1. It's a similar about relation or not? No, we can cancel this. Yes. We have b, this b and this d. Okay, then the remainder will be b over d. It's relation number 2. They are equivalent from relation number 1 to equivalent equal b over d. Next question number 16 here. If e over 3 equal over 5, find the value of this expression. We have e over 3 equal b over 5. It will be constant k. The k here constant. Then the value of e equal 3 by k, 3k, and b equal 5k, and k constant not equal 0. Now I will put here in this expression 5 or 7 times e, 7 times 3k, plus 9 times b was 5k, over 4 times e equal 3k, plus 2 times b, 2 times 5k. 3 times 7 is 21, 21k, plus 5 times 9, 45k. 3 times 4 is 12, 12k, and 2 times 5 equal 10k. We can collect 5 plus 1, 6, and 4 plus 2, 6. 2 plus 0, 2, 1 plus 1, 2. You can simplify, the result will be 3. This is the answer about this expression. Next question number 17. If x equal y over 2 equals z over 3, I will put here the value k. In the value of x equal k, and y equal 2 times k. K equals the constant, and z equals 3 times k. We have x plus y minus 2z over x minus 3z. X plus y, x here was k, and y equal 2k, plus or subtract by 2 times k. 2 times 3 equals 6. Put the value of k equal 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, 6k. Down x was k. Subtract by 3 times z. Z was 3k. 3 times 3, 9. Then 1 plus 2, 3. 3 minus 6 is negative 3. Negative 3k over 1 minus 9 equal negative 8. Negative 8k. You can simplify by divided negative k up and down. K is a constant, not equal 0. You can divide it by it. Then the result will be 3 over 8 here in the simplest. Next question. If x over 3 equal y over 4 equals z over 5, prove that the result will be half. So we can put the value of x here equal 3 product by the constant like k, 3k, and y equal 4k, and z will be equal 5 product by k. K is the constant. Then you can find the value about this expression. 2y subtract by z over 3x minus 2y plus z. 2 times y, 2 times 4 equal 8, 8k. Subtract by z, 5k. 3 times x, 3 times 3 equal 9. And negative 2 times y, 2 times 4 equal 8. Plus z, plus 5k. 8 minus 5, 3. Then we have 3k. 9 minus 8, 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. You can simplify, the result will be half. We prove that the value will be half by dividing height factor numerator and denominator to simplify it. Okay. Next question. If x over 2 equal y over 4 equals z over 5, and give relation here to find the value of z. First step, I will put the constant k in the value of x equal 2 product by k, and y equal 4 product by k, and z will be equal 5 product by k. Such that he gave me this information here, x plus y subtract by 2z equal 12. Such that x equal 2k, right, 2k here, plus the value of y, 4k, subtract by 2 times the value of z, 2 times 5 is 10. The answer will be 12. 2 times 4, 6, 6 minus 10, negative 4k equal 12. Then the value of k equal 12, subtract, divided by negative 4, it will be negative 3. It's the value of k. You can find the value of z. Z will be equal 5 times k. 5 times negative 3, it will be negative 15. The value of k here, z negative 50. Next question here, number 20. we have A, B, C, D are proportional quantities. Prove that the following they are equivalent. First step, we can prove that by write A over B equals C over D equal constant. Number 1, A over B equal C over D. Put constant here K, okay, and the value of A equal B times K and C equal D times K. Left hand side equal 3A plus C over 5A minus 2C. 3 times A equal BK, it will be 3BK plus C equal DK. 5 times A equal by K, 5 times BK, subtract by 2 times C. C was DK. You can simplest write head factor up, write D, 3BK divided, no, write D outside, K. 3BK divided by K equal 3B, and DK divided by K equal D. Down we can write head factor between two terms here. K was repeating. Then 5BK divided by K equal 5P. Subtract by 2DK divided by K equal 2D. You can sample, the result will be relation number 1, the simplest form, 3B plus D over 5B minus 2D. And right hand side was 3B plus D equal over 5B minus 2D. Relation number 2, they are equivalent. They are equivalent. Left hand side equal right hand side without doing anything. The answer here, look at here, the answer is the same because we divided up and down by K. K constant not equal 0. Number 2 also I will solve this question by these steps. Okay, first step. Number 2. Okay, we have relation left hand side was equal to number 2 here. Okay, A plus B over P. Put the value of A equal PK plus B. B is constant down. Okay, over P. You can divide it by B up and down. Divided by B here, it will be K, and B divided by B equal 1. It's relation number 1. And right hand side, we have the expression C plus D over D. Okay, put the value of C equal DK plus D over D. You can write D height factor, DK divided by D equal K, D divided by D equal 1 divided by D. The result will be K plus 1. It's relation number 2. We have relation number 1 and relation number 2, they are equivalent. From relation number 1, left hand side equal right hand side. Next question, number 3. A minus B over B equal. We know A over B equal C over D equal constant. Then the value A equal BK and C equal DK. What's the value of A equal BK? Subtract B over B divided by B, the result will be K minus 1. This left hand side. And right hand side, C minus D over D. C was DK, subtract by D over D. You can divide it by D two terms, the result will be K minus 1. This is relation number 2, and here number 1 from relation number 1 and 2, they are equivalent. The two expressions are equivalent. Number 4. Here 4B plus 7D. First step, we have A over B equal C over D equal constant. Then the value of A was equal B times K and C equal D times K. Left hand side here equal 4B plus 7D over 4A plus 7C. 4 times B plus 7 times D 4 times A was BK, plus 7 product by C equal DK. We can write that cofactor 4B plus 7D over K. 4BK divided by K equal 4P plus 7DK divided by K equals 7D. You can simplest, the result will be 1 over K. And the right hand side here, this left hand side, and right hand side will be what? This question, we solve the question number what? He asked about this question number 4. Okay, number 4. We solve number 4. Okay, my students, number 4. This question number 4. Right hand side 5B subtract by 8D over 5A subtract by 8C. 5 times B. The value of B here is a constant. We write 5B. AD, D is a constant also. 5 times A was PK here. 5PK subtract by 8 times C equal DK. 8 times DK. We can write down K had cofactor divided will be 5B subtract by 8DK divided by K equal 8D. And here 5B subtract by ED. Cancel, the result will be 1 over K. The left hand side equal right hand side equal 1 over K. Understood number 4? Okay, number 5 the same. Okay, we have A over B equal C over D. We can write here constant. Then the value of A will be B times K and C equal D times K. P and D is a constant. Okay, left hand side was A plus B over A minus B. The value of A was BK plus P over A was BK minus P. We can write B outside. BK divided by B equal K and B divided by B equal 1. Right, B also BK divided by B equal K and B divided by B equal 1. We can cancel. The result will be, in the simplest, will be K plus 1 over K minus 1. And right hand side was C plus D. This question number 5. Okay, C plus D over C minus D. The value of C here, C was DK. Okay, plus D over C was DK subtracted by D. Right, D hat cofactor, it will be K plus 1. And down D hat cofactor also, it will be here K minus 1. We can cancel, it will be relation number 2. And this relation number 1. Then from relation 1 and 2 they are equivalent. Then left hand side will be equal right hand side. Next question, number 6. Left hand side was equal A power 2 plus C power 2 over AP plus CD. We know E over B was equals C over D. We can put K because A, B, C, D we call proportional. The value of A equal BK and the K constant not equal 0 and C equal D times K. In E power 2 here, what's the value of A? BK, it will be P power 2, K power 2 plus C power 2 here, it will be D power 2, K power 2. Okay. Okay, my students. Okay, complete with me. A times B. A here was DK. BK, okay? BK times B plus C times D. C was DK times D. Then we have P power 2, alright, K power 2, height cofactor between two terms. Then the remainder here will be power 2. And this answer also divided by K power 2, it will be D power 2. Down, P times B, it will be P power 2. And D times D equal D power 2. Right, outside K. And the remainder here b power 2, and the remainder here will be d power 2. We can cancel this expression by this expression, and k power 2 divided by k, it will be k. This left hand side about letter number 6, and the right hand side a over b. Right hand side equal a over b. A was bk over p. We can sample the result will be k. Then relation number 1 and the relation number 2 are equivalent. Then left hand side will be equal right hand side. Next question, number 7. Number 7. Left hand side was equal a power 2 plus c power 2 over b power 2 plus d power 2. We have a over b equal c over d equal constant. Then the value of a equal pk and the value of c equal dk. We can write here left hand side a power 2 plus c power 2 over b power 2 plus d power 2. A was bk, b power 2 k power 2 plus c power 2 equal d power 2 k power 2. Understood? Down b power 2, b is a constant and d constant also. B power 2 plus d power 2. You can write Heiken factor up here k power 2. B power 2 outside, then the result here k power 2 and k power 2 divided k power 2 1 times d power 2. And down we have, sorry, this b power 2, and down b power 2 plus d power 2. You can cancel together, it's the same. Okay, then the answer will be k power 2. Next step, right hand side. Right hand side here equal what? Number 7, ec over bd. E times c, where a was bk product by c, b d k k k تربيع, right? b d k by k k power 2, and b times d here, cancel b by d here, then the result will be k power 2. They are equivalent. Left hand side equal right hand side. It's question number 7. Yes, question number 8 now. Number 8, left hand side 3a plus 4c over 3b plus 4d. A over b equal c over d. We can put constant here. Then the value a equal bk and c equal dk. You put the value here of a equal pk 3 times pk, 3pk, plus 4 times c, it will be 4dk over 3p, be constant, and 4d, d is constant also. You can write Heiken factor up. We have here k was repeating, then the remainder here it will be 3b. If you divide this term by k and divided by k here it will be 4d. Down here 3p plus 4d, you can cancel, the result will be k. Okay, it's left hand side, and right hand side equal 2a minus c over 2b minus d. 2 times a equal bk, right? 2bk subtract by c equal dk, and 2b subtract by d. Now we can write the Heiken factor between the terms here. Question number 8. Okay, here k was repeating. 2bk divided by k equal 2p, and bkd divided by k equal d over 2b minus d. You can sample, the result will be k. Then they are equivalent. Left hand side equal right hand side equal k. Understood? Next question number 9. Left hand side is equal ec over bd. We know e over b equal c over d. Do you remember? In all examples I write these properties. A over B equals C over D equal K. Then the value of A equal BK and the value of C equal DK. Start with this question number 9, okay? Left hand side here. Okay, I write AC over B times D. A here was BK. Redact the value of C was BK over BD. We can cancel B and D divided. K by K, it will be K power 2. And right hand side, okay, right hand side was A minus C over B minus D all power 2. We have the value of A was BK, subtract by C was DK, over P, subtract by D. Okay, first step, you can write the outcome factor up. It will be K was repeating. BK divided by K equal B, and the DK divided by K equal D. We have power out. Down B minus D, we can divide it together, then the result will be K power 2 is the same about right hand side equal left hand side equal K power 2. Next question. Number 10. We want to prove that left hand side equal right hand side. We know E over B was equal C over D equal constant. Then the value of A equal BK and C equal DK. We start here about left hand side. We have square root of 3A power 2 subtract by 5 C power 2 over 3 power 2 subtract by 5 D power 2. 3A power 2. A was BK. Then we have 3 B power 2 B power 2 subtract by 5 C here D power 2 K power 2. 3P power 2 B constant and 5 D power 2. First step, we can write the outcome factor up. Look at here. We have here which repeating K power 2 outside. Then the remainder here 3 power 2. Right outside, then the remainder will be 5 D power 2. And down we have 3 power 2 subtract by 5 D power 2. Can cancel. Square root of K power 2 equal K. It's relation number 1. Now we will solve right hand side. Right hand side here E over B. The value of A equal BK over B. We can cancel together. The result will be K. It's relation number 2. In the relation number 1 equal relation number 2 equivalent. They are equal constant K. The left hand side equal right hand side. Next question. Number 11. We have A over B equal C over D equal constant K. In Z equal A equal BK and C equal DK. Then we have left hand side cubic root of 2A power 3 subtracted by 7 T power 3 over 2B power 3 subtracted by 7 D power 3. A power 3 right here B power 3 K power 3 subtracted by 7 C power 3 D power 3 K power 3. 2B power 3 subtracted by C 7 product D power 3. You can raise the outcome factor up. We have up here the repeating here what? Who can tell me? We have K power 3 outcome factor. Then the remainder here will be 2P power 3 subtracted by 7. Right, K power 3 it will be 7 D power 3 subtracted by 7 D power 3. We can cancel together and we have here cubic root of K power 3 it will be K. This left hand side and right hand side question here we have here left hand side. Now right hand side. Right hand side was A plus C over P plus D. A plus C over P plus D. The value of A was BK plus value of c here was dk over p plus d. You can write k height cofactor between two terms up k here. bk divided by k equal b and dk divided by k equal d. All over p plus d can divide and then the result will be k here. They are equivalent. Left hand side equal right hand side equal k. Next question. Question number 21. If a over b equal c over d equal e over f, prove that left hand side equal right hand side. We will put here constant k. In the value of a equal bk and the value of c equal dk and the value of e will be equal f product by k. Start from left hand side. This question number 1, okay? Left hand side here was a plus 5c over p plus 5d. Put the value of a equal bk plus 5 product value of c equal dk over b. B is the constant and also d is the constant. You can write height cofactor up, k is repeating. Divided by k, the result here will be p plus 5d. And numerator was b plus 5d. We can sample the result will be k. Okay, it's relation number 1. Right hand side, we have here at right hand side we have c subtract by 3e over d minus 3f. Okay, put with me here the value of c was dk subtract by 3e. E was fk over d. D is the constant and f is the constant. You can write height cofactor up. F was repeating, k was repeating. dk divided by k equal d and 3fk divided by k equals 3f over d minus 3f. Cancel, the result will be k. Then it's relation number 2 and this relation number 1, they are equivalent. Left hand side equal right hand side equal k. Next question number 2. We have also a equal bk, b product by k, and c equal d times k, and e equal f times k. Start from left hand side. We have 2a plus 7c subtract by 4e over 2b plus 7d subtract by 4f. 2a, a was bk, 2 times bk, 7 times c, 7 times dk, 4 times e, 4fk. Numerator 2b plus 7d minus 4f. You can write up k height cofactor and then divide this term. It will be 2p. 7dk divided by k equals 7d, and here 4fk divided by k equal 4f. We have down 2p plus 7d minus 4f. You can cancel, the result will be k. Now we will write the relation here at right hand side. Okay, we found now left hand side will be k. Okay, and right hand side, about question number 2, right hand side was equal a minus 8e over p subtract by 8f. Okay, the value of a was bk subtract by 8e over p minus 8f. Write out here height cofactor. Look at with me, we have k was repeating here. K was repeating. You know, left hand side equal k and right hand side must be equivalent. Okay, write k height cofactor. Then we have p minus 8f. K height cofactor and down b minus 8f. we can cancel here. The result will be k. Left hand side equal right hand side equal k. We prove that the relation, okay, because left hand side equal right hand side. Okay, next question, number 22. If 2 equal 3b equal 4c, and give me the relation between a and b and c, summation of them equal 52. Okay, first step, we can solve the example by easy method, divided by least common multiplication between 2 and 3 and 4. We have 2a equal 3b equal 4c. We can divide it by 12. We have a over 12 divided by 2 equals 6. 12 divided by 3 equal 4. 12 divided by 4 equal 3. Then we can put the constant here k. Then the value of a equals 6k, and b equal 4k, and c equal 3k. Okay, he give you in the example this relation. Look at here, a plus b plus c was equal 52. What's the value of a? 6k, value of b 4k, and c equal 3k. They are equal 52. 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 3 equals 13. 13k equal 52. Then k equal 52 divided by 13. The result will be 4. Then the value of k4. You can find what? A will be what? A will be 6 times 4, it will be 24. And b 4 times k, 4 times 4 16, and 3 c equals 3 times 4 equal 12. 24, 16, and 12. Next question. If 4a equal 3b equals 6c, a plus b plus c equals 36, find the value of b. Okay, to solve the example also like this question, divided by least common multiplication between 4 and 3 and 6 is 12. We have 4a equal 3b equal 6c divided by 12. 12 divided by 4 equal 3. 12 divided by 3 equal 4. 12 divided by 6 equal 2. With k, then the value of a equals 3k, and b equal 4k, and c equal 2k. He give me this relation. Look at here, a plus b plus c was equal 36. With the value of a equal 3k, and the value of b 4k, value of c equal 2k, summation was 36. 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. 9k is 36. Then the value of k equals 36 divided by 9 equal 4. Now we can find the value of a. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 2 times 4 equal 8. Okay, it's the value of a and b and c. Next question. Number 24. We have a, b, and c are positive numbers such that ratio between a to b to c is this. Okay, you want to find the value a plus b minus c. And okay, first step, solve the example by first information here. The ratio, look at here, he gives me the ratio between a to b to c. A to b to c was 2 to 3 to 4. Then a will be 2k, and b equal 3k, and c equal 4k, and k not equal 0. It's a constant, not equal 0. Okay, he gives me this relation. Look at here, a power 2 plus power 2 plus c power 2 was 725. But the value of a was 4k power 2. A equal 2k, okay, power 2. And b power 2, it will be 9k power 2. And c power 2, 4k, it will be 16k power 2 equals 725. We can collect 4 plus 9 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 equal 29k power 2 equals 725. 725 divided by the number, then k power 2 is 25. He tell me we have positive, then k will be positive, not negative. Are positive numbers, then k will be square root of 25 is 5. Okay, now we can find the value of a. A will be equal 2 times k. 2 times 5 equal 10. And b equals 3 times k. 3 times 5 is 15. And c equal 4 times 5 equal 20. Okay, we have a, b, c. He won't find what? A plus b minus c. A was 10 plus p 15 minus 20. We have 25 minus 10 minus 20 equal 5. The difference, the answer result here will be 5. Okay. Application. We have in a computer games, Omar, Khalid, and Hamza scored 581 points together, such that 4 times Omar obtained points. Okay. First, we have 3 persons. The person Khalid and Hamza, Omar. Write O, reverse to Omar, and Hamza, and Khalid. Okay, K reverse to Khalid, and O reverse to Omar, and H reverse to Hamza. He tell me this information. Look at here. Omar's points was 5 times Khalid. First, look at here. Hamza scored. Okay, in computer games, Omar, Khalid, and Hamza scores the summation between together O plus H plus K was 581. Okay, this is the first relation. Second relation, look at here. He tell me the example such that 4 times Omar, meaning 4 product by O. O here is equals to Omar. 4 product by O points equals 5 times Khalid. 5 product by points of Khalid, and equals 7 times, also equal 7 times Hamza point. Okay, we have here 4 times O equal 5 times K equal 7 times H. We can divide it on number 4, 5, and 7. The least common multiplication between the number here will be what? 5, 4 times 7, 4 times 20, 20 times 7 equal 140. You have 70, 70 can be divided by 4. Then 4 times 5, 20, 20 times 7, it will be 140. Divided all by 140. My students, you know 70 can be divided. Then we can simplest. 140 divided by 4, it will be 35. Then Omar, points Omar over 35 equal Khalid over 5 here, and 140 divided by 5 was 28 equal points of Hamza. The result will be 20. Put here constant K or M. M here is a constant. Then the points of Omar equals 35M, and point of Khalid equal 28M, and point of Hamza is 20M. He give me the relation between points Omar and Hamza and Khalid was 581. We can collect 35 plus 28. We have 35M and 28M and 20M equal 581. Collect 20 plus 28 plus 35 equal 83. Then 581 divided by answer, then M will be 7. Collect 3 numbers, and then 581 divided summation, the result will be 7. Then the points of Omar, it will be 5 times 35 equal 245 points. Okay, and points of Khalid, 28 times 7, 28 times 7 equal 196 points. And the last one, Hamza points, 20 times 7 equal 140 points. Okay, solution down here also. Okay, next question. Landscape is a given figure. He give me a triangle, right angle triangle here. 2 dimensions was 15 and 20. We can find this line segment here from Pythagoras theorem, right? 15 power 2 plus 20 power 2, and then find square root of the answer. It will be 25. And inside it we have also right angle triangle like this. We have the hypotenuse will be 15 meter. Okay, 15 meter here. He want what are the lengths of 2 ranges here? We put here x and here y, and the ratio between x to 15, because we have similar between 2 triangles. X over 15 equal y over 20 equal 15 over 25. Okay, then we can find the value of x, right? 15 times 15 divided by 25. 15 times 15 over 25 equal 9. Then x will be 9. And y equal 20 times 15 over 25. Equal 12. Then the two dimensions will be 9 meter and 12 meter. Creative thinking. Find the positive number which, if its multiplicative inverse 82, the consequent of the ratio becomes 3 over 5. What is the consequent? Consequent here 3. And we have antecedent and consequent. Okay, put the number will be x, then the inverse, multiplicative inverse of the number will be 1 over x. Then we have 2 over 3. We can put here 1 over x. If we add the multiplicative inverse, add to consecutive here, the result will be 3 over 5. 5 times 2 equal 10, and 3 times 3 equal 9. 3 times 1 over x will be 3 over x. Move 9 here. 10 minus 9 equal 1. 1 equal 3 over x. And the number will be 3. Number here will be 3. Next question. This question from not the book, from Moasser book. For proportional numbers, the force of proportional equals the square of the second. Therefore, okay, we have first B, C, and D. He tell me the information. The force proportional like D equal the square of the second. The square of second proportional. Okay, square of the second. Okay, the force squares of the second. And the first here, A, the first proportional is less than second proportional by 2. It's meaning what? If we subtract by 2, the result will be what? Less than the second proportional by 2. Then minus 2 equal P. And the third proportional equal 8. The third will be equal 8. Then we have E over B was equal C over D. Okay. Next, A was, put A, where A here equal P plus 2. Then we have P plus 2 over P. C was 8 over D. D equal B power 2. We can write B here was A minus 2, right, power 2, then B power 2. Okay, my students, we have here D. D was what? D was B power 2. I will cancel B power 2 and raise the value of D, because B, look at here, B equal A minus 2. What about B power 2? Right here, A minus 2 all power 2. Okay, the value of B, it will be A minus 2 all power 2. Okay, I won't cancel B power 2, or here B plus 2. Okay, this is not okay. Again, we have here B equal D equal B power 2. Okay, my students, we have D here. D equal what? B power 2. We can product 8 times P will be 8P. P power 2 times P equal P power 3. 2 times P power 2 equal T power 2. You can divide it by B. Then 8 equal P power 2 plus 2P. Then P power 2 plus 2P plus or minus 8 equals 0. Then we can factorize this expression now. Right here, B times P power 2, 2 times 4 equal 8, and greater like the middle, positive, and then negative. Then we have two solutions. B plus 4 equals 0. Then the value of B here will be negative 4, or B equal 2. B will be equal negative 4, or B will be equal 2. The greatest number like the middle. Okay, if B equal negative 4, we have here C equal 8. Okay, what is the value of A? A equal B plus 2. A will be B plus 2. Look at here, B plus 2. Then B was negative 4. Negative 4 plus 2 equal negative 2. And C was 8. Okay, then we have negative 4 and negative 2 and 8. And B was equal to. B was equal to. We have C. Okay, we can find the value of A here. Equal B plus 2. 2 plus 2 equal 4 and C will be 8. Then the numbers will be negative 4 and negative 2 and 8, or 2, 4 and 8. Understood? But I want to also find D. We have D also. Where D? D was B power 2. Yes, D here will be B power 2. B here was 4 power 2, 16. Then we have also 16. Negative 4, negative 2, 8, 16. And the D here equal B power 2. B was what? 2, 2 power 2, 4. Then we have 2, 4, 8 and 4. 2, 8, 2, 4, 8 and 4, and negative 4, negative 2, 8 and 16. This number, negative 4 and negative 2, by the order, you can write first A, B, C, D. Okay, the solution will be negative 4, negative 2, 8 and 16, because D equal B power 2. B here was negative 4 power 2, 16. We have 2 times 4, 8, 4 the first and second and third. We can write by the order. Okay, write by the order. First A was negative 2, and B was negative 4, and C was 8, and third 16. 2 times 16 equal 4 times 8. And also the numbers here by A, the first solution A will be what? We found A here. Yes, here. And D will be 4 here. Because D equal B power 2. 2 to the power 2, 4. Then we can write A first, 4, and B, and C, and then D. 4 times 4, 16. 2 times 8 equals 16. Okay, we finished now all questions, my students. Okay, goodbye.